Introducing the next evolution in hockey helmets, the Super Tacks X with Nest Tech from CCM and Carbon. The Super Tacks X with Nest Tech is the world's first 3D printed hockey helmet interior, replacing traditional foam padding with the Nest lattice for increased breathability, premium comfort, and elite protection. It starts with Carbon's advanced design engine software automatically generating a highly optimized lattice structure based on desired performance criteria and weight. This lattice structure enables fine control over energy absorption and dissipation by aligning internal damping struts against the directions of impact that hockey players experience during play. The Nest Tech lattice is made up of over 130,000 struts. Each strut is specially tuned at every point on the helmet, allowing the lattice to absorb and disperse energy from impacts. The open architecture of the Nest lattice also offers unprecedented comfort by allowing air to flow throughout the helmet, keeping the player cool from buzzer to buzzer. A computer-generated texture ensures enhanced comfort and a precision fit where the helmet meets the player's head. Carbon digital light synthesis uses liquid polymer resins, ultraviolet light, and oxygen to create high-performance designs that are impossible to achieve with traditional manufacturing. Introducing the Super Tacks X with Nest Tech. Inspired by hockey, built with light and oxygen, designed for your game.